Few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lestari. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Mangga Kepulauan and now I live in Mangga Baru. I am a student of government science at Muhammadiyah University of Lub. My hobby is singing and scrolling TikTok. I chose government science because I am interested in politics and leadership. Nice to meet you all and thank you. Bye bye. Call me.